inequality 12 over x minus 1 minus 16 over x is greater than or equal to 4. Notice that if I set x equal to 1 or 0, I'm dividing by 0, so those points are forbidden. And now I can treat this as an equality. So inequality goes away for now. And the best way to solve this is to multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which will be x times x minus 1. So I multiply 12 over x minus 1 by that. X minus 1's cancel, and I'm left with 12x minus 16 times, and then multiply that by x times x minus 1. X cancels, and I'm left with x minus 1 times negative 16 equals 4x times x minus 1. Now I'm going to distribute. We have minus 16x plus 16 equals 4x squared minus 4x. 12x minus 16x is negative 4x, plus 16 is 4x squared minus 4x. We're going to move everything to the right, so we'll add 4x to both sides, which means the 4x cancel. And then actually we'll leave the 16 where it's at. If x squared is equal to 4, so x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we're going to take these points and put them in the number line. And we want to make sure we put 0 and 1 because those points are forbidden. And I'm going to circle them because I know not to use them. And so we have to try different points in these different regions. So we have to test a point left of negative 2, so say negative 3. Between negative 2 and 0, say negative 1. Between 0 and 1, say a half. Between 1 and 2, say 3 halves. And then greater than 2 will be 3. So you just want to plug it into the original inequality and see whether the left side is greater than or equal to 4. So for example, if I plug in negative 3, I have 12 over negative 3 minus 1 minus 16 over negative 3. So this is 12 over negative 4 plus 16 over 3. This is negative 3 plus 16 over 3. And you can think of this as negative 9 over 3 plus 16 over 3, which is 5/3. Is that greater than or equal to 4? No. So we will not be including this. And so you would just try the remaining points in here. And so what you're going to get is that negative 1 works, 1/2 does not, 3/2 does, and then 2 does not. So the final answer will be between negative 2 and 0, but negative 2 we could include because here you have an equals, greater than or equal to, so it equals at negative 2. We're going to stop at 0. We do not want to include 0 because that's going to be divided by 0. And then we're going to continue from 1, but do not include 1, and then go to 2, and make sure to include 2. So this will be our final answer.